Good morning, Chuck and Paige here. I'm hoarse this morning. I think too much beer, too much talking. We are still in Pattaya in this awesome room, headed to Karat this morning. I really don't have a lot of plans, but I think it's going to be a good day. I'm going to bring you guys to Karat. This was a pretty cool looking place. I'll share the website with you. They have family rooms, but this is the smallest of the rooms that you can get. But I really like the cabinet stuff that they have. A lot of storage space in here, but they have a family size room that's actually a lot bigger. So like an apartment. That's good for a kid if you have a kid or 3 people. So yeah, we had a good time in Pattaya. It's time to move the journey on. Pattaya is what it is. There is a lot of good things to see in Pattaya. We didn't spend a whole lot of time, just kind of showed you the tourist attraction places here. Yeah, our next journey is back home for a Sunday fun day. And then Koh Chang and Koh Koot is next, which I'll give you guys an update here pretty soon and let you know exactly what's on our next little trip. So yeah. Well, we are headed up to North Pattaya on Highway 3 right now on our journey back. It's the scenic route. There is a faster route, but I don't know, we're taking 3 because we're not in any hurry. But last time we were here, we actually got lost and had to take a when we were in Pattaya. They closed the main street down because of a concert, and we were lost bad. We were staying right on the beach. But this is coming up to the north side of Pattaya. Pattaya is very, very, very big. More than just a few walking streets and bars. Sand. And it's mostly Thai people, Paige says.
They come here to have seafood.
She said the beaches aren't that pretty though?
No. A lot of cheap China was not.
So the beaches aren't as beautiful, but the food is good, so it's just mostly Thai people out here. So if you want good food, Chinese
food and all kinds of things. Seafood.
I like seafood.
Closed seafood.
I like food. It's 10 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast yet.
Yeah. Maybe we can find one.
Yeah. We have to pee. Look, there's a nice toilet right there. Toilet. Okay, let's find some food. Beach doesn't look that bad.
Huh?
There's a little trash or something floating in it though. Probably everything floating here from Pattaya and shrimp. Well, it's our last day by the beach until we get to Koh Chang next month, so might as well order some seafood. I got some shrimp and some fried rice with shrimp.
Ooh.
Is that crab? I said gung.
Oh, I thought you said boom.
Oh, never mind. I got fried rice with crab. I like it, but I usually don't get it because Paige can't eat it.
No,
beautiful day. Paige said that when we were
กุ้งชุบแป้งทอดให้แกป่ะกุ้งชุบแป้งทอดของแก
oh, she forgot my shrimp. Only ลูกค้า2 คน ไม่เป็นไรครับ
ทอดแป๊บเดียวกุ้งเลย
ไม่รีบครับ I said there's only 2 customers. How did you forget? So don't worry about it. We're not in a hurry. But Paige said they cleaned it up a lot since we were here. Was I here? Paige used to come here from the U.S. Almost every year. Come for like 90 days to get away from me. What do we do now? That looks pretty good. What is that?
Chicken with curry paste.
Wow, that's good spice there. When you're in an area that's mostly Thai tourists, you're gonna get, for me, good food. But everybody has their own taste for Thai. That's spicy, very good.
They have theกุ้งtoo.
Okay, yay. What is this vegetable?
Long bean.
Long bean.
They don't have very green bean in Thailand.
Yeah, I noticed that when I'm looking for green bean casserole. Very hot, warm.
Just finish.
Okay, I see a little viewpoint. So let's stop and look at the view. I don't have any sunscreen on. Where you at? Okay. I guess they're working on it or tearing it down or
Somebody fishing now.
something like that. Good spot to go fishing though, looks like. I know, I get it.
Look, he got something.
Me and no fishing pole. But he got a little tiny fish, huh?
Yeah, he got a little one.
Oh, okay.
He put it in his bucket now.
Awesome. So what are your thoughts on Pattaya? Ready to go back soon?
No.
You like it?
It was okay. Just a night or 2 nights.
What did you not like about it? What did you not like about it?
Too many people.
Too many people? What kind of people? Too many Chinese people or what?
Too many tourists.
Too many tourists, yeah.
Too many, not relaxing tourists.
Yeah,
They want to go to see things and then hurry
right.
to get the money worth it. Not different kind.
Yeah. Paige off camera said the only thing to do there is drink and get fat.
Yeah, only drinking get that.
So, yeah, I don't know. It's not really for us. We love to people watch. A lot of sexy people in Pattaya for sure. But it's too much overwhelming.
2 nights, okay.
Yeah, a couple nights is okay. So yeah, I was gonna ask Paige her opinion on a couple things about Pattaya, but Thai people really don't have a lot of opinions about things like we do. And a lot of times people say I never let Paige talk, but Paige doesn't like to talk in front of the camera anyway. She's not as opinionated. I have enough opinions to sink a ship, I promise you. Luckily for me, I'm not married to somebody who is heavy opinionated like I am. So, yeah, we all have our opinions. But I try to make my opinions based on my personal experience and not something that I've read or seen from somebody else. But anyway. Last time we came to Jantaburi, Maon, the one that cooks at our Sunday Fun Days, Paige asked her, what do you want for a souvenir? And the only thing she said was sea salt. And we forgot to get it last time, but this time I found sea salt. I didn't forget you, Maon. Well, she got sea salt for everybody.
Yeah.
20 baht.
A bag.
A bag.
The big one. 50.
Okay. Okay, we're all got a. What is 20 baht? Like 10, like 60 cents, something like that? A bag?
Yeah.
Okay. These heavy trucks, they tear up the roads, or the roads are not good. One of the two, maybe both. I will say this about Thailand: they're doing a lot of road construction right now, and they're fixing a lot of these roads. But a lot of those roads that have been fixed since I've lived here are already messed up. So I don't know, I can't ask them right now, but my assumption is that they can build it, but they really do not know how to maintain it. The way that they attempt to try to fix the problem is really pathetic. It's just like, it's an effort, that's it, it's not a repair. But here we are at these tunnels, they're still working on them. I shared a link to what these tunnels actually are made for here in Karat and Khao Yai. Up there, this is all national forest reserve owned by the government. It's dark. And they did this project. I'll share another picture of it to you, but they're going to cover the tops of these with soil to make it to where the wildlife has an opportunity to get across to the other side without getting run over. I think the biggest problem was the endanger of the wildlife. Yes, Thailand does care about the wildlife, unlike what some people think, but they're going to put soil over the top of this so it gives them a safe path to the other side. I think it's an awesome project. This is where I got my lunch money ticket the other day, right around here. But you know, now I see the sign. It says 40 kilometers per hour, which is very difficult to do unless you're behind one of the trucks. But they will give you a ticket up here. But it's sprinkling, chances are they're not out. Pulling people over, real still. Real serious.
Dinner.
No, don't do it. Yeah. I made it, I passed.
No dinner.
All this is mushrooms, head.
Yeah.
Mushrooms grow wild, obviously, up here in the mountains, but they sell them on the side of the road. Really, only certain times of the year, when it's rainy season, mostly is when they can get a lot of these mushrooms. But you can buy them kind of dried at Macro, right? Yeah. I have them all up on the top. Very popular mushroom. It's a rest stop, a Thai style rest stop. Yay, we're here. Finally. We have a lot of stuff. We gotta get it out and bring it in. This is what I need right here. A subscriber sent these to Paige. A bunch of these Gilby's vodka, and she hasn't drank very many of them, but they're pretty easy to use for traveling. But I brought this from the house, and you see how much I've drank. Very little, mostly beer. Cheers. Soup, chicken. She had it waiting for us. She bought it and had it waiting for us. What an awesome aunt. Guys, that's it. This is the end of our beach travel trip to Rayong, Koh Samet, and Pattaya. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It seems like you did. I had a lot of wonderful comments, a lot of new subscribers. It was awesome to meet Kevin finally. I got to spend some personal time with Kevin. He is a genuinely really nice guy. He showed us around Pattaya a little bit. Took us into his home, showed us around, even had the refrigerator full of Leos for us. We only drank one though, but super awesome, nice guy. The group that I met, that me and Paige met at the Wednesday meet night, which he says is always like that every Wednesday, was very cool. I really enjoyed meeting that, and Paige had a great time. Got to go back to Top Phnom tomorrow. Sunday is Sunday Fun Day, and is actually my birthday is actually Sunday the 30th. I will be the big 5-0. No big deal. I'm happy. I feel better than I ever have in my entire life living in Thailand after 2 years now. Life is awesome. It really is. The only thing I regret is I wish I could have done it when I was 40. But yeah. Thank you very much. No video tomorrow. Keep the comments coming. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. I'll see you guys Sunday. Bye.